Once upon a time, in a quaint town there lived a young man named Oliver. He was a kind soul with a heart full of dreams and aspirations. One sunny day, as he strolled through the park, he encountered a mesmerizing woman named Emily. Emily, with her sparkling eyes and radiant smile, captured Oliver's heart instantly. They spent countless hours together, sharing laughter, dreams, and creating beautiful memories. Their love blossomed like a delicate flower, filling their lives with joy and warmth. However, fate had its own plans. Emily's family received an opportunity to move abroad, and she had to bid farewell to the town and to Oliver. Despite the miles that now separated them, Oliver and Emily promised to stay connected, holding into the love that had woven them together. As time passed, the distance took its toll. The once vibrant conversation turned into occasional messages, and the warmth of their love began to fade. Oliver felt the ache of loneliness, missing, and laughter and companionship that Emily brought into his life. One day, as Oliver wandered through the same park where they first met, he stumbled upon an old forgotten journal. Flipping through its pages, he discovered entries filled with their shared adventures and heartfelt expression of love. Reading those words transported him back to the days when love knew no boundaries. Determined to wrinkle the flame that once burned brightly, Oliver decided to surprise Emily. He embarked on a journey to find her, guided by the memories they had created together. Along the way, he encountered challenges and setbacks, but his love for Emily fueled his determination. Finally, after overcoming numerous obstacles, Oliver stood outside Emily's doorstep nervously. He knocked on the door, unsure of what awaited him. To his surprise, Emily opened the door with tears of joy in her eyes. The spark that had dimmed over time reignited as they embarked, realizing that true love can withstand the test of distance and time. From that day forward, Oliver and Emily made a vow to cherish each moment and nurture their love. They understood that love is not just a feeling, emotion, but a commitment to weather storms together. As they walked hand in hand through the same park where their story began, they knew that their love story, thought tested, had a happy ending, providing that lost love can be found again. Thank you so much listening.